So who won? I don't know. Well, why don't you know? Because I haven't drawn the names yet. Okay, guys, this is the Valentine's Day giveaway. And stay tuned to the end because I'm announcing another giveaway. And it's going to be really, really, really easy. Really easy. So, we had a lot of entries. And to enter, you had to comment on 4 recent videos. So, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, here's a little one right here. Let's just take this one. Who won? Maybe I should tell you, or let me open it under the camera so nobody can say Kathy cheated. Oh. You know what? I am glad this person won. I really am, because this person kept bingo afloat for a long time with all her donations. Miss Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Tina, this is going in the mail to you tomorrow. No. Yeah, Wednesday. Because I already mailed out all the bingo prizes. So, yeah. This will go Wednesday, so that's tomorrow. And I have physical therapy, so it's right across from the post office. Okay, now y'all want to hear what the next one is? Okay, let me move this big guy. It's heavy. I am doing another giveaway. I'm not telling you how big it is. I'm not telling you what's in it. It'll be craft stuff. But here's what I'm going to tell you. I bought most of it from someone else. If you've watched my videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's some cool stuff, but it's stuff I already had. And it's all brand new. And I'm going to add some more stuff to it, because I am keeping some of the stuff that came in this box. Let's see. What do you have to do to win it? I should have thought this out before I came on camera. Okay, to win it, you have to put under this video only, not all the videos, just this video only, a number between 1 and 5,000. And I am going to write it right now. So I've got my number down. It's in the handy dandy little notebook I use here. And the person who comes the closest without going over that number is going to win that giveaway. But when I do the drawing, I'm going to show you what's in it. Okay, guys? So, play along. And this is for my subscribers, as, you know, thanking them for being loyal and hanging around while I've been sick and all. So, if you're not subscribed, you better hit that button, ring that bell, because I'll be doing a lot of giveaways. And it just depends on when the mood strikes me is when I'm going to do it. So today is Tuesday. I'm going to run this till next Tuesday, and I will draw on next Tuesday for this one. So you have today's the 20th. So next week, no, today's the 21st. So February the 28th, the last day of the month, I will draw. And, well, I will show you the number, and then y'all can go back down the line yourselves and look and see who was the closest to verify that I did pick the right number. So, get busy. Between 1 and 5,000. And only enter once, please. Okay? Now you can enter as many times as you want. I don't care. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching, and thanks for playing along. This is kind of fun. Bye.